Good morning, everybody. It is November the 6th, 7:33. And technically, been lines in for 3 minutes now. I didn't know this until just late, but I participated in enough tournaments this year in Missouri to be able to qualify for the Missouri State Championship. So that's exciting. So we're up here on Table Rock Lake. Love this lake. And we are going to go see if we can catch a few. Cold this morning. Like 36, 35, 36. And foggy, looks like. But the biggest problem with today is, for some reason, my graph has just quit working. I don't know if it's a battery issue. I don't know if it's a graph issue. I don't know. I charged both my batteries last night like I always do, but for some reason it's just not working. So we may be flying blind today. Lines in was about 4 minutes ago. So unfortunately, we're already behind. But I'm gonna go out here and fish. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, so go out here and do our best to find 5 good ones. Hopefully we can make that happen. See if there's any topwater fish to be had. Absolutely not a big one. That's number one. If I hug the bank, am I going to be in your way, or do I need to go around you?
No, that's why I'm fishing deeper.
Okay. Tell you what, not being able to see is an issue. Number 2. Top water. 30-something degrees outside. Oh, woohoo. Okay. I can't see. Don't know where I am. Don't know how deep it is. So, I gotta try to see what's up here. Oh, that just bothers the crap out of me. Not only do I not know, can I not see on my graph because my graph stopped, but I also can't see because of this fog. It's already 9 o'clock and I still can't see because of this fog. I don't know where I've been. I don't know where I'm going because I also don't have great service, so every time I get on my phone to look, I'm afraid I don't want to run the battery down. So okay, well, that's 3. Should be 5, but we can't count those other ones, so we're gonna not count those other ones. We're going to be thankful for the 3 that we got. Oh man, that's huge. That is huge to be able to know how deep it is and where I am. Yahoo! Stay down. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to have a limit. So good to have a limit. Okay, well, that's day one. Man, it was a struggle bus for everybody, it looks like, except for just a very few. Got a little limit, 65.5 inches, sitting in 13th out of 49. So tells me that it was not easy today. But all you can do whenever that's that tough is just post a limit and let the chips fall where they may. So anyway, we got day one in the books. Day two tomorrow, and I doubt I come back here. Probably will do something different, but we shall see. Anyway, okay, well, that's that. Day one in the books. So stay tuned for day two. Probably starting right about now. Okay, good morning everybody. Day two is here. Okay, we are on the water. Day two. Lines in is in 2 minutes. Could have launched, we just launched, could have launched 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago at 7 o'clock, I guess. But we didn't. That's okay. We're gonna start fishing so close to the ramp, I don't know that it matters anyway. So, never been here, just kind of gonna look at a new spot and see how it goes. So, day two of the Missouri State Championship, and see if we can make some improvements off of yesterday. All right, man, they're just barely nipping at it. Which makes me think maybe I need to change colors, because they're eating it. They're just not eating. Alright, this is a brand new color. Doesn't even have a name yet. I don't think. Maybe it does. So, okay. Well then. See that one? See how good looking it is? It's like clear but gold. Kind of like a ghost gold or something. I don't know. Not sure what the name of it is. But they're 100% wanting to eat the crankbait. But even yesterday, man, they just... I'm talking about just barely getting the back hook. Let's see. We'll try that one for a little bit. Kind of a brownish color. Whoa! Whoa! Donkey. Yeah, didn't think that was a bass at all. Nice one. Man, that was awesome. Got hung on a rock, bounced off the rock. I can't believe it was that big. It didn't feel like anything right off the bat. And then when it got up to the boat, I thought, there's no way this is a bass. But it sure as heck was. All right, let's go across to this channel swing over here. It's kind of where they've been. Rocky points and channel swings. Boom. Rocky points, channel swings. Spend a lot of time running stuff that has proven that it hasn't been good. If it hasn't been by a channel swing or a point, I haven't even gotten a sniff. So we're gonna go right on past it for a little ways. See, that's the kind of little thing right there, though. Little tiny pocket with a way down in the back. Wouldn't surprise me if there was like a little 13-incher sitting on it. Sometimes, when things are going well, you can almost call your shot. Oh, boys and girls, 2 limits. Sometimes when things are going well, you can just dang near call your shot. I just barely had that dude hooked. Oh yeah, calling at 10:30. Huge difference from yesterday. We're not quite there to the channel swing yet. This is deep, but it's just right up there. Oh, dang it. Had a follower. Followed that one all the way to the boat. Okay, we are on the actual channel swing now. It's not like I've been just sacking up bunches of them, but there's been one on every one just about. For y'all that aren't sure what I'm talking about, see the main river channel that comes down like this? The channel swings right here and goes this way. So we're not quite there yet. See, you can see the main river. It swings right there and it comes down and it swings away from the bank right there. That's where I caught that 15¼ inch spotted bass. Then it swings to right here. That's where I caught that 19-inch largemouth. And it swings around and follows and these right here are bluffs. So I haven't been getting anything on the bluffs. It's been at the ends of the bluffs where the channel swings close to the bank. So hopefully you can see that. That's a common place for fish to get. And you kind of got to work it a little bit, because you got to figure out what depth they're in. They could be in 20 or they could be in 2. The problem with fishing like this is, it's not a problem, it's just something you better get used to. Is you have a lot of dead water in between, which means you're likely to do just about as much pedaling as you are fishing. Man, what a beautiful day. The wind would blow a little, probably make the bite turn on some, but to be honest with you, since I've kind of figured them out a little bit, I kind of hope it doesn't. That just makes it tougher. So I'm not crazy usually about going back and fishing the same stuff that I just fished this quick, but I'm going to. Good grief. Well, that's not that has not been the plan, but I just kind of saw this point sticking out with all these bushes on it and thought maybe there might be one sitting there. On a point. Not exactly the same kind of point, but similar. Man, what was up with that? What was I doing? I'm like 95% sure that I just got hit and I just stopped reeling. Yep, that was a fish. That was another fish. Just not eating it. Very good. I felt him for just a split second. There he is. Same point. That's a flatter point with bushes on it. I don't know if that one's gonna help. Nope. Same size. 13 and a half. What I need to call. That was like 4 bites. See if I can get another one. That's crazy. It is 62 degrees outside. Nope, 62 degree water temperature. 62 degrees outside also. And there are people swimming. Y'all are tough. Well, I'm glad I came down here to watch that. That was pretty awesome. Sometimes, lots of times, those fish will get underneath these docks and suspend right up underneath them, or boats or whatever, anything that's floating, something for shade. kind of wait for something to swim by like that. Fish was in 20 feet of water. I don't know. Nope. But now I got something I can run also. Okay, well, that's that. That's officially it. That's officially the last tournament of the year, even though I said the last one was, this one was. For real. That was a fun day. Caught a lot of fish, just couldn't find very much size. But after yesterday, as tough as it was to be able to come out and catch, I don't know, 12 or so, 15 keepers, I don't know, somewhere in there. It makes the day go by a lot faster, and it makes the day go by slower, and makes it a lot more fun. When you're sitting there with nothing, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock comes around quick. But anyway, we'll see where we landed. I doubt there's pretty much no chance I finished high enough to make any money, but I know it was a struggle both days for a lot of people. So I don't know how many 2-day limits there were, but I'm glad to have one of them. So anyway, probably made the top 10 for sure. But just glad to go out and post up a good score for the conditions. So hadn't done that in a minute. I appreciate every one of you. 2021 season is in the books. We're about 2 people, last I checked, away from 300 subscribers. I posted my first video in January of this year, and I've managed to collect 300 subscribers this year. Everything that I have on YouTube was done in 2021, so pretty excited about that. Everything went well, and if you guys didn't watch them, I probably wouldn't keep making them. So I appreciate you, all of you. And I guess that'll be a wrap for tournament season 2021. And we'll see you guys on the next one.